And I'll be right back with one to grow on.
Oh, hi, Chris. Angie and I tried out this new brand of cigarettes. If you ever try it, it'll make you feel so much older.
You really think so?
Mm-hmm. Don't worry. You'll get used to it.
Yeah, you'll get used to it, all right. And then how are you going to quit? Smoking is a habit, a bad habit. Believe me, I know, but not from experience. You may think that having cigarettes may make you look older, but let me tell you, most adults I know who smoke are trying to quit. Smoking is neither a healthy nor a cool thing to do. So do yourself and your friends a favor. Act smart. Don't start.
To tell you the truth, I don't want to start this. Anyway, I can think of better things to do with my time than stand in the bathroom with smoke in my eyes. See you around.
And that's one to grow on.